Hello, hello, and welcome back. Are you ready for the fastest art journal page ever? Here is a page that was started in my book when I was doing a project with leaves, obviously. I picked these leaves up at work and I thought, oh, these are going to look really cool on a page. So I grabbed my matte gel and I thought I would be able to stick them down with that. But no, I was not able to stick them down. They just would not cooperate. They were starting to dry. I couldn't get them to flatten. So I had to change my plan. And I just tossed the leaves in the garbage. Aren't these really neat leaves though? Big oak leaves. And I thought they would be beautiful texture on a page. Just couldn't do it. So anyways, I took the leaves off and smoothed out the matte gel and thought, okay, what am I going to do next? You will see how fast this art journal page took. It was like, I don't know, maybe less than a half hour. So really, really fast. So here's where I thought, I gotta get rid of those leaves. It's not working. Just smoothed out that matte gel, smoothed it out, and thinking, what can I do? What can I do? Gave it a dry, and I thought, well, maybe I was going to go to another art journal page and just leave this in my book to see if I could think of something. But I grabbed a bit of paint and a few stencils and away I went, and it just evolved. I really liked the page too, so it wasn't something that I wasn't very happy with. I was real happy with how it turned out. We all need a quick and easy technique every once in a while, right? I have no idea where I got these leaf stencils, but they're kind of neat. One has little dots on them, and I believe they are oak leaves, so I'm continuing with the theme that I wanted, and I'm putting down some brownish paint, kind of goldish brown. And if I can find the color here, it might be biscotti again. I've been using this a lot because it's been on my desk. So I'm just using some reverse stenciling with these oak leaf stencils, using a baby wipe, and I'm wiping up that paint to give the image of the leaf in the background there. Here I'm going right over the already stenciled leaf with the black embossing paste, and it gives it a really, really cool texture. The one texture versus taking away the paint in it turned out real interesting, the background. And I was just gonna wipe off some of that black from the leaves and keep going here. I was really happy with how it was working. And of course I saved my baby wipe. If you know what I did with the mixed media piece a couple of weeks back, cutting out those baby wipes with a leaf die and how cool they turned out, you'll want to save yours also. So just bringing those stenciled leaves to the foreground from the background, and I'm like, okay, now what, now what? Of course I'm going to grab some orange paint and keep going with this fall theme. Used my baby wipe and just created an edge with the orange, and the orange over the brown or the cappuccino color gave a really, really neat gold color, and then the orange over the gel medium, I could wipe it back and it gave a really neat light orange color. So it did 3 different types of color in one there. It was really interesting. And I wanted maybe some text, and I felt like the leaves were blowing and that the text was going to be cool in the background, using my black archival ink and my sponge, and just went to town, picking up to see where I needed some. This is a nice stencil. I'm not sure where it's from. I'm guessing Crafter's Workshop. I'll try to look it up and find it in the I'll link it in the description for you if I can find it, but I'm thinking that's what it is. It's got a real nice text, and I thought it just reminded me of fall sentiment. I definitely will use this technique in a mixed media piece coming up. I was real happy with it. I'm hoping that you like it also. I'm hoping that you're loving the fall season. Isn't that great? That orange on the black just reminds me of pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, you know, the black and orange. It turned out quite striking. You know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to put that black border around the outside, and wow, is that going to pop then. I also have to dig out a sentiment, and I did some quote chips by Tim Holtz, and those are a real nice thing to have in your stash because there's lots and lots in the box, and you can mix and match them. Excuse me, use them on your own, and you can see how quick and easy they are. And I picked this out, and it said, take the scenic route and embrace the journey. So I hope you liked this video, and make sure you like, thumbs up, and subscribe, and share it with a friend. Enjoy the holiday season, and we'll see you again next week. Bye for now.